We are continuing to cover the death of 8-year-old Sophia Mason and those suspected to be responsible for her death. And today, Dante Jackson made his first court appearance in a Merced courtroom. CBS 47's Esteban Reynoso was there and is live in Merced with the very latest. Esteban.
Well, Brian, some deputies are calling this case one of the worst they've ever seen throughout their careers. Abuse and murder charges that were read aloud in the Merced County Court right behind me.
Count 1 alleges murder. Count 2 alleges child abuse.
Our cameras were given access to Dante Jackson's arraignment Monday in Merced Superior Court. In a yellow jumpsuit and in handcuffs, Jackson charges against 8-year-old Sophia Mason.
I've been trying to be on the phone. I haven't.
But due to failure to appear with a lawyer, his arraignment was rescheduled.
Sophia was so full of potential. She was so full of joy talking to her teachers.
Melissa Harris and her family still gripping with their loss. They say they'll feel better when those responsible are officially sentenced.
While we are relieved that he's off of the streets, there is no restitution, there is no justice, there is no fixing this. But I suppose we can be a step closer now that he will be put behind bars.
Mason's body was found in this Merced home on March 11th. A vigil for her now stands outside. Officials determined her body had been in the home for a month. Neighbors were upset to hear the news, especially knowing that it happened so close. All of those people that commit those crimes, I hope they capture them, she says, so they don't do it again. Investigators detailed what happened to Sophia in a press conference Sunday, gruesome details that made its impact on the community and first responders.
In my 20 years of law enforcement, this case is the most disturbing and horrific I've seen. The coroner determined that the death was a homicide and noted that Sophia's body was malnourished.
Now, Jackson is set to be back in court in this courthouse right behind me on Wednesday at 8:30 in the morning. Now, Sophia's mother, Samantha Johnson, is also set to be in a different courtroom, but in the same courthouse on that Wednesday as well. Live in Merced, Esteban Reynoso, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.